It's Christmas
Oh man, it's happening.
Merry AF. As the kids say.
Oh my god.
Different,
yeah.
So we can make this one and then also.
We don't have to use these, but my mother one year made little baby mittens and hats.
These are for everyone, I told myself, as I bought them with a company card.
Similar.
Got them?
Yeah.
I mean, it only talks.
Do you need some stocking supervision over here? I feel like we've got it. The real Christmas miracles are not that they're here and not empty. Look at the red glitter, it's everywhere.
As a parent, never change it.
This is, they don't call it craft herpes for no reason.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
I added a few. My mother went a little overboard, and I already decorated my office with these.
We're just enjoying it. Oh yeah. This is the candy you order when you're in charge of the candy. That's everything?
That's everything, yeah.
If we have enough?
Okay, this is yours, so we can move upstairs and do all of the stuff upstairs.
Is this all for?
Well, like if Christmas threw up like it went to like a fine dining restaurant.
I mean, look
and
at
overate.
us. We're like this.
We are a sight to behold.
This is special.
I'm really just like I like the ruffles and I have a little ruffle envy. Like I really enjoy them.